Textbook themes, first grade, page 21 until 30. Number 5. This morning, Benny woke up late. Benny rushed to school. Benny is on duty to the picket today. In front of the class, Benny crashed into Edu. Edu's book bring it down. Benny left Edu with guilty feeling. After hearing teacher's explanation, Benny write a letter to Edu. Benny wants to apologize to Edu. Come on, help Benny. Answer. To Edu. Edu, I'm sorry. I dropped your book. And I did get help and apologize to you. Because I hurry to carry out the picket class. Now I apologize to you. I hope you'll forgive me. From your friends, Benny. 6. Udin, Benny, Edo, Siti and Lani played at Dayu's house. Dayu lived on Cendrawasih Street. Her house number is 21. They pay attention to the number of houses are on Jalan Cendrawasih. Pay attention to the following plan. A. Describe the characteristic of Dayu's house. Dayu house in on Cendrawasih Street number 21. It is the first house from west on Cendrawasih Street. Dayu's house is facing south. If the count from the east, so the house of Dayu is the seventh house from the east. B. Describe the characteristic of Cendrawasih Street. Cendrawasih Street is a busy road. Consists of some of the house on the rows north and south. A row of north to the house number 21 until number 27. And a row of south to house number 28 until number 34. C. Describe the north house from house number 31. The north house from house number 31 is the house number 24 facing south. It is the fourth house from the direction west and fourth house from the direction of the east. D. Describe the south house from Dayu's house. The south house from Dayu's house is the house number 28 on Cendrawasih Street. Facing Dayu's house or facing north, it is the first house from west and the seventh house from east. 7. Fill this number line below. Delapan. Bacalah percakapan di bawah ini. Di teras rumahnya, Siti dan kawan-kawan bermain bersama. Tiba-tiba terdengar suara Benny dan Udin berebut mainan. Siti mendengar pertengkaran Udin dan Benny. Siti datang melerai mereka. Siti, ada apa Udin dan Benny? Mengapa kalian bertengkar? Udin, Benny merusak rumah-rumahanku. Benny, aku butuh kotak lagi untuk rumah-rumahanku. Siti, jangan bertengkar teman-teman. Bagaimana kalau kalian membuat rumah-rumahan bersama? Udin, kamu benar Siti. Kita bisa membuat satu rumah yang besar, Benny. Siti, betul. Ayo sekarang kalian bermaafan. Benny, maafkan aku Udin. Aku telah merusak rumah-rumahanmu. Udin, iya Benny, aku juga minta maaf. Telah marah kepadamu. Ayo kita main lagi. A. Apakah Udin dan Benny akhirnya berbaikan? Ya, akhirnya Udin dan Benny berbaikan. B. Apa yang membuat mereka berbaikan? Nasihat dari Siti, dan Siti menyarankan agar mereka membuat rumah-rumahan bersama-sama. C. Apa yang diucapkan Benny saat berbaikan? Maafkan aku Udin, aku telah merusak rumah-rumahanmu. D. Apa yang Udi ucapkan setelah Benny meminta maaf? Iya Benny, aku juga minta maaf telah marah kepadamu. Ayo kita main lagi. E. Ceritakan isi percakapan Udin, Benny, dan Siti. Udin dan Benny bertengkar dan saling berebut kotak untuk membuat rumah-rumahan. Kemudian Siti melerai mereka dan menasehati agar membuat rumah-rumahan bersama. Akhirnya Udin dan Benny saling meminta maaf dan saling memaafkan satu sama lain. 9. Apa yang akan kamu katakan jika ada teman yang meminta maaf? Aku minta maaf, aku tidak sengaja menjatuhkan bukumu. Ini aku ambilkan? Maafkan aku lupa mengembalikan bukumu yang kupinjam kemarin. Besok, aku akan mengembalikan bukumu. Jawab, ya, tidak apa-apa. Terima kasih ya, kamu telah mengembalikan buku-bukuku yang jatuh. Jawaban kedua, iya, tidak apa-apa. Kalau kamu masih membutuhkan, boleh kamu pinjam dulu. 10. Read this story. Holidays. It's time to play with friends. Siti and friends often play in the front yard or in the field. Play gala scene is done in groups. Running fast, avoid scourging your opponent. Hiding when playing hide and seek can be done alone or with friends. Honesty and sportive are the rules in playing. Obey the rules so the game is still fun. Playing with friends become memorable experience. A. Describe the rules must be followed when playing with friends at home. Rules that must be followed when playing with friends at home are the rules of the game that does not endanger ourselves and others. Rules of the game that accordance with the ethic of play. Rule of the game that can respect each other, not arrogant, not mocking each other, not to hurt each other. B. Describe the rules of play should they obey at home. Rules of play should be obeyed at home are must honest when playing, obey the rules of the game, respect each other, not arrogant, not mocking each other, not to hurt each other. Play together with harmony and fair. 11. Benny pulang sekolah bersama teman-teman. Perjalanan terasa menyenangkan bila bersama teman. Namun, perjalanan pulang kali ini berbeda dengan kemarin. Pengalaman hari ini sungguh tidak menyenangkan. A. Bagaimana pendapatmu mengenai gambar di depan? Ketika Benny dan kawan-kawan pulang, ada dua anak yang berlari. Mereka tidak melihat kalau ada genangan air. Mereka berlari melewati genangan air tersebut, sehingga cipratan air mengenai baju Benny dan kawan-kawan. Tindakan kedua anak tersebut kurang hati-hati dan mengganggu orang lain, terutama Benny dan kawan-kawannya. B. Apa yang seharusnya dilakukan oleh kedua anak yang berlari? Seharusnya kedua anak yang berlari tersebut lebih berhati-hati dan apabila mereka sudah terlanjur melewati genangan air, kemudian cipratan airnya mengenai Benny dan kawan-kawan, maka mereka harus berhenti dan meminta maaf kepada Benny dan kawan-kawannya. C. Amatilah kalimat-kalimat berikut. Berilah tanda centang pada kalimat yang tepat. Permisi, kami mau lewat. Sampai jumpa. Beri jalan untuk kami. Maaf, kami tidak sengaja. 12. Bacalah cerita di bawah ini. Udin dan teman-teman sedang bernyanyi. Bernyanyi adalah pengalaman yang menyenangkan, apalagi jika dilakukan bersama teman. Menyanyikan lagu gembira bersama teman membuat suasana tambah riang. Jawablah pertanyaan-pertanyaan berikut. A. Apakah judul lagu yang Udin dan teman-teman nyanyikan? Jawaban, Sayang Semuanya. B. Siapakah pencipta lagu itu? Jawaban, Ibu Kasur. C. Cerita apakah yang terkandung dalam lagu itu? Jawaban, seorang anak yang menyayangi keluarga dan sesama. Orang-orang yang kita sayangi, pertama adalah ibu, kedua ayah, ketiga saudara dan keluarga kita. Selain keluarga kita, harus menyayangi semuanya, yaitu tetangga-tetangga kita dan orang lain sesama makhluk Allah. Certain, write each number, describe it. A. Write a number with 5 tens and 5 ones. B. Write a number with 8 tens and 3 ones. C. Write a number with 2 tens and 2 ones. D. Write a number with 1 tens and 3 ones. E. Write a number with 4 tens and 5 ones. Salah. E. Write a number with 4 tens and 5 ones. F. Write a number with 5. Salah. F. Write a number with 7 tens and 9 ones. G. Write a number with 9 tens and 6 ones. H. Write a number with 1 ten and 8 ones. I. Write a number with 3 tens and 4 ones. J. Write a number with 8 tens and 6 ones. K. Write a number with 7 tens and 6 ones. L. Write a number with 0 tens and 2 ones. M. Write a number with 9 tens and 5 ones. N. Write a number with 7 tens and 3 ones. O. Write a number with 0 tens and 8 ones. Solve each problem. A. There were 59 people in line at lunch when 16 more got in line. How many people were there total in line? Answer, 59 at 16 equal to 75. So the total people in line are 75 peoples. B. A grocery store had 43 bottles of regular soda and 7 bottles of diet soda. How many bottles did they have total? Answer, 43 at 7 equals to 50. So the total soda that they have are 50 bottles. C. A baker already had 64 cakes, but made 9 extra. How many cakes did the baker have total? Answer, 64 at 9 equal to 73. So the total cakes that the baker have are 73 cakes. D. Bianca spent 59 minutes drawing at school and 13 minutes drawing at home. How many minutes total did she spend drawing? Answer, 59 at 13 equals to 72. So the total minutes that Bianca spends to drawing are 72 minutes. E. A farmer planted 92 seeds on Wednesday and another 7 seeds on Thursday. How many seeds did he plant total? Answer, 92 add 7 equals to 99. So the total seeds that he planted are 99 seeds. F. An aquarium had 47 fish in it. Later they add 13 fish. How many fish are in the aquarium now? Answer. 47 add 13 equals to 60. So the total fish in the aquarium are 60 fish. G. Oliver had $48. Later he sold some of his old toys and got another $15. How much money does he have total? Answer. 48 add 15 equals to 63. So the total money that he has $63. H. On Facebook, Debbie had 79 photos of her friends and 11 photos of her family. How many photos did she have total? Answer. 79 add 11 equals to 90. So the total photos that she has 90 photos. I. Amy had 59 pieces of candy. Her friend gave her 38 more pieces. How many pieces of candy did Amy have total? Answer. 59 add 38 equals to 97. So the total Amy's candies are 97 pieces. J. Haley had 68 DS games and her friends had 16 games. How many do they have total? Answer. 68 add 16 equals to 84. So the total games are 84. K. While exercising, Will did 59 push-ups in the morning and 14 more in the afternoon. How many push-ups did Will do total? Answer. 59 add 14 equals to 73. So the total push-ups that Will do are 73. L. Adam was playing basketball with his friend. Adam scored 64 points and his friend scored 14 points. How many points did they score total? Answer. 64 add 14 equals to 78. So the total they score are 78. 15. Determine the time shown on the clock. 1. Half past 2. 2. 11 o'clock. 3. Half past 8. 4. 10 o'clock. 5. 12 o'clock. 6. 3 o'clock. 7. 12 o'clock. 8. 9 o'clock. 9. Half past 5. 10. Half past 4. 11. 1 o'clock. 12. Half past 7.